Have you ever dreamed of pursuing a PhD in management from IIT Bombay, but felt overwhelmed by the process? You are not alone. Many aspirants struggle with understanding the eligibility criteria, the application process, and the research proposal requirement. In this video, I will break it all down for you in simple and clear terms. Stay with me till the end because I will also share with you how you can get in touch with me for an expert guidance to strengthen your application and improve your chances of getting selected. So, section 1, when can you apply? PhD admissions in IIT Bombay Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, also known as SJMSOM, is open twice a year. If you plan to apply for the January session, then the applications for which will open in the month of October. And for the July session, which is also known as the autumn intake, applications usually open in the month of March and April. So if you are serious about getting into this program, it's important to start preparing well in advance and do mark these dates on your calendar. One of the best things about IIT Bombay's PhD program is that you can apply to up to 3 different departments with the single application fee. So now let's talk about the areas of research offered by this prestigious institution. The key research domains include finance and accounting, marketing, operations and supply chain management, entrepreneurship, strategic management and competitiveness, technology and innovation management, and of course, they love interdisciplinary studies as well. Moving on to our next section. Who is eligible to apply? To apply for the PhD program at SJMSOM, you must meet at least one of the following eligibility criteria that I'm about to discuss. You can be either a 4-year bachelor's degree in any discipline with at least 60% marks and 2 years of work experience. A master's degree, so the second option is you can have a master's degree such as MBA, MTech, MSc or MA with at least 60% marks. Of course, yes, there is a relaxation of 5% for SC/ST candidates. In case you've completed your CA or CS, you will need at least 60% mark along with a bachelor's degree, again with 60% marks. If you are a foreign student and you want to apply for a full-time PhD, along with 60% marks in either your 4-year bachelor's or your master's, you will also need a valid TOEFL score. Additionally, for financial support, each one of you need to have a valid CAT, GMAT, GATE, GRE or any equivalent score. To, however, apply besides meeting the eligibility criteria, you are also required to have a research proposal. So why is the research proposal so critical? Now here's the most important part. Your research proposal, unlike other PhD programs that ask for SOP, IIT Bombay requires a detailed research proposal of 1000 to 1500 words. This document is not just a formality, it plays a crucial role in determining whether your application will get shortlisted or not. Your research proposal must include the following 3 elements: problem definition, review of literature, proposed methodology. A well-written research proposal can set you apart from other applicants. Now moving on to the step-by-step selection process. So the admission process of IITB, needless to say, is highly competitive and follow a 3-step approach. First, you need to submit your application along with your research proposal. If shortlisted, you will have to appear for an aptitude test which assesses your English comprehension, your quantitative ability, analytical reasoning, and of course data interpretation. If you clear this test, you will be invited for a personal interview where faculty members will evaluate your research aptitude. It's important to note that both the aptitude test and the interview are usually conducted on the same day, so please be well prepared in advance. Moving on to our next section, can working professionals apply for this program? That means, do they offer a part-time PhD? So yes, they do offer a part-time PhD. Working professionals can pursue a PhD simultaneously while working at IIT Bombay. However, it is important that you do attend the on-campus coursework classes, which is conducted in the initial years. Moving on to section 6, what is the financial support and scholarships offered to full-time PhD candidates? To be eligible for a financial support, as I've already told you, you need to have an eligibility exam like GATE, CAT, GMAT, GRE scores. As per the guidelines of UGC, a full-time research scholar under the teaching assistantship category is entitled to have 37,000 rupees per month during the first 2 years of PhD, which will be increased to 42,000 rupees per month for the next 3 years.
With this, we come to the end of our video, but there is one very important piece of information which I have to share with you. The admissions for the June 2025 session is already open. The last date to apply is 11th of April. However, in case you are not able to fill the form this month, do not worry. The applications will reopen on the 10th of September for the January 2026 session. In case you're looking for a PhD mentor who can guide you, support you through your PhD admission journey, then you can reach me on the number given below. And if you do like the way we are empowering you with genuine PhD information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.